There is a mine. That's cool. That's cool. A little spooky. I'm here at Burns Canyon. Took me a while to find this campsite. The first campsite that I found, I wanted to stay there, but I just couldn't get the car to level. Took me about an hour, got frustrated, so I just moved on and found this little campsite here. It's not too bad. It's near the trail, so hopefully people that's going through is not going to bother me too much. But anyways, it's 4:30. The weather, it's not too bad. It's a little windy. I'm hoping that tonight it's not going to be too crazy. I don't expect it's going to be that cold, but I'm just kind of concerned with the wind. So we'll see. Hopefully everything will work out. Let me just show you the campsite. yeah, I just set up camp. Right there, just a few yards from the campsite, that's the main trail. I really wanted to stay at the other campsite. It's really nice, but I just couldn't get the car to level. This is good enough. I'm planning to stay hopefully a couple of nights. It's Friday. Took a day off from work. It's a nice little spot. Maybe tomorrow do a little bit of hiking. Hopefully I can get a chance to get up there. The temperature, I think today it's around 60s, and at night we're looking at probably in mid 30s. It's not bad. My only concern really is the wind. Anyways, just gonna relax, have another beer, and make dinner later. It's 5:30. I'm getting hungry. Had a really small lunch today, just a small sandwich. So tonight, just gonna have salmon and asparagus. Nothing fancy, but I love asparagus. Whenever I go camping, I always have asparagus, most of the time. And most of the time I usually have steak and salmon. But yeah, should be pretty tasty. Oh, so good. Just simple salt and pepper. Salmon's not overcooked. Same with asparagus. Got a little crunch. Perfect. Well, gonna finish my dinner, clean up, have another beer or two before I go to bed. Good salmon.
Never felt time like I do now. I never wanted it so much to stay. I never knew love before you, and now I'm trying to hold on in every way. So when I'm scared, you bring me courage. And this love is a terrifying thing. But when you call me, I'll answer. And if you need someone to hold your hand, when you're lonely, I'll be there. I will give you everything, everything I am. Well, it's your smile when we're dancing that brings me back to who I am. When I'm old, when I'm faded, these memories will bring me back, oh, bring me back. So when I'm scared, you bring me courage. And this love is a terrifying thing. But when you call me, I'll answer. If you need someone to hold your hand, when you're lonely, I'll be there. I will give you everything, everything that I am. When you call me, I'll answer. If you need someone to hold your hand, when you're lonely, I'll be there. I will give you everything.